Breaking news right now, a bill allowing Floridians to carry concealed weapons without a permit or without any sort of training has passed in the Florida legislature.
We're going to go practice gun safety. And with the new law that passed and comes into effect in July, we're going to make sure our staff understands, how to use a gun if they're going to conceal one. Make sure everyone's safe. That's the most important thing with guns. So right now we're taking a little break, but we're learning how to break down guns. We're learning how to reload guns, how to safely handle guns. The staff I think is super important. Some of us are super experienced, some of us aren't, and I really do think this is really vital for them to learn. So right now we're about to start the shooting portion and see how we go handle that. So I've been shooting for a long time, so I'm pretty comfortable shooting, but I've been watching everyone shoot, and you can see the nervousness level of different people depending on their experience. I'm glad people are learning.
I've been around firearms for the last 20 years, but on a very, very inconsistent basis. So the type of person that he's talking about would actually also be me. Not shooting a gun consistently and dealing with the anticipation of the live rounds coming out of the gun. So I think this is a really, really important training to make sure that you know what you're doing around any sort of firearms.
What we live in today is pretty crazy, and guns are here. They're not going away, but we can do certain things to mitigate how much loss people incur because of guns, and one thing is safety. So gun safety classes are really important. Secondly, I talked to some of my staff, some of the people that were part of the class, and when they heard about it, they instantly kind of dreaded doing the class. We live in a world where kids are doing gun school shooter drills on a daily basis before class every year. And that's kind of how I think we need to look at it when it comes to guns. Even if you don't like them, you should learn how to use them just in case you have to. And that way you also know, what it is to handle a gun. Until next time, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more adventures.